In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the customization of theme header section in Blogig theme. I'm using Pro theme, so you might see a more limited range of features in your free theme. But you can get around all of the settings by following this tutorial. Let's begin this video. Go to site identity, logo, and site icon. Upload site logo. Skip cropping. You can also edit logo width. Upload site icon. Next, go to site title and tagline. Unselect display site title. Select display site description. Write tagline. Site description color. Poppins font family. Now go to theme header. General settings. There are three header layouts. Header layout 3, header layout 1. In design settings, select background color. You can also edit box shadow. In menu options, edit typography, row to font family. Medium font weight. Same Roboto font family in submenu. Select initial and hover text color. Initial and hover colors for active menu item. Text colors for submenu. Background color in submenu. In general, select alignment. You can also enable sticky header. You can choose from 5 over effects. Determine menu cutoff limit. You can write menu cutoff more text. Afterwards, move on to search option. Select the number of posts to display in primary search result. Edit view all button text. No result found text. You can show or hide post image and post date. Initial and hover icon color. Modal background color. View all button text color. And view all button background color. Moving on to custom button. Edit button label. Select button icon. Enter redirect URL and select button target. Icon distance to text. Place icon before or after text. You can choose from 5 different animation types. Edit typography. Pop-ins. You can also select text color, icon color, and background color. Select border type, edit border radius, and box shadow. Go to theme mode, choose dark and light icon. You can set dark mode as default. Select dark icon and light icon colors. Lastly, canvas menu. Enable it. We have not added any widgets in the canvas menu, so it is empty for now. Select canvas icon, select position of canvas menu, edit canvas width, in design settings, choose initial and hover menu icon colors, background color, and box shadow. Before publishing, I'm going to hide site description. We have now completed the customization of theme header section. Menu items, sub-menu items, subscribe button, search, canvas menu, light and dark mode. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.